welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to teach you how I use tinted moisturizers or BB creams when I want to create a flawless foundation. Now in the previous video I showed you how to use mineral loose powder as a foundation. Now either you can build up on that by applying the tinted moisturizer on top of this, making the mineral powder on your face as a primer, or you can go on a clean face and apply the tinted moisturizer. Now, a lot of times people either use a damp beauty sponge or your fingers to apply this. I'm going to use the Sephora Bright Future Fluid, and I'm just going to pour a little bit in the back of my hand here. I'm going to use my fingers to apply this. So just dotting it a little bit and then going with my finger, spreading it out. So use it like you would spread butter. So this is going to be a very light coverage. It's not going to give you too much, but with the setting powder underneath, it does give it a nice coverage. Make sure you go past your jawline and then just tap it. Go over your ears as well. You can add a little bit of setting powder in just the T-zone area. Before that, let's go and highlight just a little bit. So I'm going to go and highlight under my eyes a little bit. So I'm just going to put a dot here. This is a lighter shade concealer than the one I used to color correct. So I'm just going to use my fingers now to just spread that here. And then a little bit on my highest point of my cheeks and a little bit under the eyes right here, just to brighten this area. So notice I'm not going all the way under my eye. I'm just keeping a distance. And I'm really just dabbing and tapping. And then my chin. So just kind of blend it, spread it, and tap it. And then go in with a damp beauty sponge just to blend this out. So now I just want to set just a little bit in my T-zone area because I kind of feel like that is a little bit too oily or shiny. And I'm using the Air Spun Coty, which looks like this. I love the setting powder. It smells so nice. It just gives you this nostalgic childhood memory smell. And all I'm going is just a little bit right here where I get really oily, and I'm just picking up a small amount. I'm using a Real Techniques setting brush, really just pushing it right there, and then also a little bit under the eyes. So just the tiniest amount. I don't want bit between where I get a little bit there as well. And that's it. That's how I use tinted moisturizers. You can do the same thing with a BB cream or a CC cream. In the next video, I'm going to show you how I use liquid foundation to create a flawless complexion. See you then.